Hello guys, my name is Terrence and I'm about to do an unwrapping slash unboxing sports memorabilia, and this would be my first time doing this because I often don't do wrapping packages like this, but I'm going to do one anyway. So right here we have, as you can see, it's probably kind of hard to see, but says MLS Major League Soccer. So this is one of the jerseys I ordered from the MLS website. This is the Bio CD replica jersey. So it's not. I think it means like it doesn't have it won't have the logo on the sleeve. So I'm about to open this up, which I need to do that right now. Got it to open. Oh, it's not open. Okay. Damn, it looks like I'm having a hard time opening it. Okay, there we go. And not to open this actual jersey. So, how do you open this? So, I guess I just open it this way. I didn't want to buy it, but I had to. Alright. And this is 100% recycled LDPE bag. Now we go open it now. So this is the jersey that's here. So this is Adidas on it. It has the MD Anderson Center on it logo, and it has the Houston Dynamo logo on it. So this is the replica, and it's supposed to have the Major League Soccer logo on it, but it does not have it. That one's probably like I believe the other ones are like $50 more, but I bought this for like $89.99 with free shipping. So hope I wear this jersey to the next Dynamo game. Hopefully so. I'm not sure when. I think that's on May 14, which is on a Saturday. So I'll probably be wearing this. I'm gonna show you the price of this jersey. So let me see. It should have the price on it. Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't say the price. It just says it says large on it. Yeah, it's a large. Okay. So this is a nice replica jersey for the Bio City. It also doesn't have the stars on top of it, so that's the only thing. That's the only thing that's not there, but I'm not too worried about that. Alright, on to the next sports memorabilia. We have, I believe this is for the Sugarland Skeeters jersey. So I'm about to open this up real quick. Got the shipping, got the shipping label paper. It says your name and everything. And I'm about to unfold this. There's nothing in the other half, so it's just the first half right here. Nothing on the bottom. I won't worry about that. Okay. And this is the Sugarland Skeeters jersey. Alright. Ooh, this is pretty nice. So look at this jersey. Ooh, man. And this is the alternate jersey. So Sometimes you may see them Raiders on the home or on the road. But I never been to Sugarland Skeeters minor league game. But I have been to the Constellation Park place before. So I've been to Constellation Park when they had that food festival back in probably 2019. That's when they had that International Food Festival. But I've never been to minor league baseball. But the jersey looks nice. It has a Space Cowboy logo. And what else is there? And you can see it's a button up. So button up right here. So all the way to right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 buttons. All right. Also, don't mind the sun behind me because it's just a reflection. So, and then I have that little cover to protect me from getting from the sun getting in my eyes or something like that. Also, there's a look. If you see the stripe part, which is black, blue, light blue, and it goes all the way down to like orange red, something like that. Yeah, so hopefully I wear this jersey to the minor league baseball game. One day I will wear it. You might see me wear it, so I can support this team. All right, next thing to open is this Houston. So this is a package for the Houston Astro MLB shop. And this is not the Space City jersey. This is the Space City shirt that has Alex Bregman on the back of his on the back of it. So I'm about to open this up. And of course it's in the bag. They like to protect the merchandise in case anything happens to it. So. And sometimes these stuff, if it's in the bag, it might be hard to open. So I'm gonna try to open this up. Alright, so we have a Alex Bregman. So this is say Space City, and that's the Nike symbol, and I believe this says go for launch, and there's the trademark on it. Okay, and the price for this jersey is about $35, which is not a bad deal. Rather buying the actual jersey, which is $175, which I don't want to spend on. So this is the front, and you can see the back. It says Alex Bregman and his jersey number 2. Number 2. So hopefully I can wear this to the baseball game whenever they play at home, or I may wear it while I watch TV in my house right now. So yeah, this is a pretty good jersey to wear in the Space City. So alright guys, that is it for unboxing / unwrapping sports memorabilia. So just remember, friends, be healthy, be motivated, and don't do anything stupid you regret. Peace.